Hello you guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a super delicious and a simple recipe for you guys. This is our Asian pork meatball in chili sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get started. We're going to start by boiling the meatballs. We love using these cooked pork meatballs. They're usually available at any Asian grocery stores, but if you can't find them, feel free to substitute them with any pork meatballs of your choice. Even though these meatballs are cooked, we still like to boil them before we cook these meatballs. This way the meatballs expand and also become more even and rounder shape. While the meatballs are boiling, we can go ahead and prepare the rest of our ingredients. We're going to take about 4 to 6 cloves of garlic and mince them. Next, we're going to need about 3 green onions cut into small pieces. We'll be separating the green and the white part of the green onion since we'll be using them separately. Next, we're going to cut up some onion petals. We took some yellow onion here. You can use any onions of your choice. You can use red, yellow, or white onions. It's up to you. Now we're going to cut some green bell peppers and we're going to cut them into 1-inch squares. Next, you're going to need some dry red chilies. I took 2, you can take more if you want. We're also going to need a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now let's prepare the chili sauce mix. For this recipe, we really love to use this ground fresh chili paste. We're going to need about 2 tablespoons of the chili sauce. About half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. 1 teaspoon of water, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. I'm using about 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Feel free to use regular salt if you want. You just have to adjust the amount of salt according to your taste. Now give everything a good mix and the sauce is ready. And then for the finishing touch, we're going to need some sesame oil. Make sure to use a good sesame oil for a more aromatic flavor. We really love this brand and enjoy the smell and flavor of the sesame oil. Now that our meatballs are all done boiling, we're going to cut each of these meatballs into half and then half again so that we can have 4 equal pieces of each of the meatballs. Now we're all ready to start cooking. The cooking process is going to be super quick, so make sure to have all your ingredients ready and near you. Start off with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, add the minced garlic. We'll be cooking on a medium to high heat the whole time. Cook the garlic for about 30 seconds and then go ahead and add the green onion whites. We're going to cook the green onion whites about 15 seconds. Then we're going to add the dry red chili. Cook the dry red chilies for about 30 seconds and then we're going to add the ginger garlic paste. Once the garlic and the ginger garlic paste become golden brown, we're going to go ahead and add the bell pepper and onion petals. Now stir in the bell pepper and the onion petals. Let the vegetables cook for about a minute or so. Now we're going to add the meatballs and we're going to let it cook for a few minutes until the meatballs get a golden brown color, and we're going to stir the mixture occasionally. After cooking the meatballs for about 2 minutes, we're going to add in the chili sauce mix, and then we're going to give a good mix to make sure everything is coated evenly with the chili sauce. Cook for about another 3 to 4 minutes or until the sauce thickens, and to finish it off, add some sesame oil. I used about a teaspoon of sesame oil. Then give it a good stir and cook for another 30 seconds. Add the green onion greens, mix everything up, and you're all done. So that's it for our super simple Asian pork meatballs in chili sauce recipe. Hopefully you enjoyed this recipe and this video. If you liked this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and our blog. All the details, instructions for this recipe and the ingredient list will be given on our blog post, so make sure to check that out. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!